If you're a Facebook content creator, here is an opportunity for you to earn more money using this platform called Monetag. Whether you're monetized or not, this is going to be working for you. Now, very quickly, Monetag is a platform that helps you monetize traffic that you're getting from any source, whether that's social media traffic or web traffic. And this means that Facebook is not the only platform that you can actually monetize on. But I'm just going to be using Facebook as a platform to explain how Monetag works. So whether you're creating content on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or you have a blog, you can actually monetize the traffic. Now, the information I'm going to be sharing with you in this tutorial is going to be very beneficial, especially if you're a content creator looking for more ways to make money. Make sure you stay until the end of this tutorial so that you won't miss out on any part. Hi there, my name is Mary Adele, and on this channel we talk about how to make money online and also a whole lot on sales, marketing, and advertising. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit on the subscribe button so that you become a part of our growing family. Now, all you'll be needing to earn money on Monetag is your already existing platform, whether that's Facebook or any other platform you're using, and then you'd also be needing a website or a blog. Now, don't worry, creating this is very simple. I'm going to be showing you how to do that using simple tools like System.io and ChatGPT. Then you'd also be needing something called Smart Link or Direct Link from this platform called Monetag. Now, here is a simple scenario of how this is going to work. Now, let's say, for instance, that your content is around finance. You share financial tips, advice, and all of that. And you've created a blog article around a particular subject in your niche. You will then have to create a short form content that will be posted on your Facebook, and then the call to action will now be for people to go and read more about that particular topic you've talked about in your blog. Now, you know how when you're reading a news article or a gossip on Facebook or on any platform, and then there is a link for you to go and finish reading that content on a particular website. That's exactly how it works. So when people from your content on Facebook link back to that content on your blog and they read, as they read it, you have already strategically added your smart link on your blog or on your website or on the content on your website. And when they click on that link, Monetag automatically detects the kind of traffic that they are and sends them to a relevant offer. And that's how you make money. A very quick disclaimer, Monetag works, at least I've seen it from videos and positive reviews that I came across in the process of researching this platform. But it is not for lazy people. If you're not willing or ready to put in the work, then this may not work for you. On this platform, we do not encourage get rich quick schemes. Now, very quickly, let us get into my laptop screen, and I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step approach to starting with Monetag, from creating your account to earning your first dollar. To access this website, you can use the link in the description of this video. So once you're on the website, this is how it's going to be looking like. So the interface for the website on mobile and on the desktop is going to be slightly different, but it's the same content. So you can just go through, scroll through to get more information about the platform. And here you'd see that it says monetize every audience type, no matter what audience and web or mobile traffic you want to monetize. We are ready to meet your expectations for outstanding balance between revenue and experience for users. Then you can click on start earning, and then it's going to redirect you to create your account. So I'm going to be showing you how to create your account very shortly, but if you come to ad format, you're going to be seeing that there are different ad formats here, but the one that we're most concerned about is the smart link. And I'm going to click on smart link so that we can check out everything about the smart link and how it works. Direct link or smart link is a special URL designed to take visitors to the most relevant offers and bring publishers the highest revenue. So while publishers are getting traffic from you, you are getting paid, all right? Because you are the one that is, getting them those traffic. So when you click on get smart link, it's going to redirect you to create your account. But because I have already created my account, it's redirected me to my own dashboard, right? So creating an account is pretty simple. You're going to be asked for simple details like your name, your country of residence, and other information. Just make sure that you provide the correct information so that it will not affect your payments, right? Later on when you want to start cashing out. I wanted to mention that payment is quite simple because they have different payment gateways, right? They have that you can get your payment through PayPal, through Payoneer, and other platforms that are available to most people, all right? Another thing is that you can actually withdraw as low as $5. So once your payment gets to $5, you can actually get to withdraw your money. All right. So once you're registered, you come to your dashboard and this is what you're going to be seeing. And so your statistics will start to populate after you have started to, people have started to share, you've started to share your link and people have started to click on it. And then how much you've made is also going to be showing up here. So I just tried embedding my link on a landing page, and then I personally clicked on it, and I came back to my dashboard, and this is what I'm seeing. All right. So it means that as you continue to, get people to visit your smart link, you're also going to be earning money. Another thing I want to also mention is they frown deeply at traffic that is not original. You don't go get traffic or you don't go buy traffic, like maybe buy people to come and click on your link. They might actually ban your account, right? So they frown deeply at such practices. So you want to ensure that the traffic that you're driving in, either organic or paid, are actual people. So to get a direct link, all you just need to do is to simply click on direct link. And then I already have a direct link. You can actually add, another direct link and then just copy your direct link. So after creating your blog, which I'm going to be showing you shortly, and you're ready to start embedding your link, you can just come and copy and then paste it inside. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that shortly. So all you just need to do is to get a system.io account. Right? Creating one is very simple. Just go on your Chrome browser or your browser and type in system.io. So it spells system with an E at the end, then IO. All right. So once you're here, you're just going to go to sign up or sign in if you already have an account. So you're just going to be asked for your email address and then you do some verifications and that's all. So let's say I'm logging into my system.io account. I'm going to be showing you how to then create your blog. All right. So system.io has free versions that would be very much okay for what we want to actually do. So once you're here on the system.io dashboard, the next thing you're going to do is to go to site and then click on blogs. All right. So we don't have any blog because we've not created any blog. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to be creating a single blog that has unlimited number of posts. All right. Simply come to create, and then you're going to be asked to name your blog. You can now go on to select the templates you want to use, right? So you can look through the different templates that they have and then select any one you want to use. So let's say we want to use this one. All right, so I'm going to click on it and then we'll go on to click on save. It's going to bring you here. So you can just click on the name of the blog and it will bring you to a dashboard like this. So this is going to be your blog dashboard where you're going to be managing and creating your post from. All right. So from here, you're going to be seeing the different posts that are on that template you selected. But when you're ready to start creating yours, you can actually start deleting them, right? So this video is not going to be an extensive tutorial on how to create blogs or how to create blog content with system.io. I can actually go on to do a more extensive tutorial to talk about how to create a blog with system.io. But I simply want to show you around and you can go on to do it yourself. But if I get up to 10 comments, people saying that they want me to show them how to do it, I would go on to do a more elaborate video. So the first thing you want to do is to just come onto your blog layout and change some things here. So say for instance that you want to add your logo. So this is the placeholder for your logo. You can just, once you click on it, you're going to see by the left-hand panel, you're going to see where you can add your logo. And then these other menu features, when you tap on it, you're going to be able to, add the links to the different menu pages. Where we have the home page, we have the articles page, and then we have the contacts page and about page. Now, this is also one of the places inside of your blog where you can add the Monetag direct link, right? So you can even have on this menu option here, you can add a menu option that says something like check our latest deals, or you can say deals, right? And then you embed the link there. Now you want to ensure that you don't just paste the link anyhow. And that's why I took us from, creating valuable content on Facebook, and then bringing people to a place where they can also continue to consume that value. You can also embed your links on text, normal text on the content that you're going to be writing, and then you can also embed your links on buttons. You can embed the link on images as well. But this particular place is just for you to edit your menu options and this other part here. Then once you're done, you can now save. So once you come back here, you're going to see where you can create a blog post. So you can actually create unlimited number of posts. You can actually delete all these other ones here, and then you can start to create your own. So once you tap on create, you're going to be asked to name your blog post and all of that. So I don't want to go through all of that, but it's really very simple. All right. So once you follow the on-screen instructions, you should be able to get around with it. But let me show you something. Now, let me say that I have already created an actual blog content. Now, to create your blog content, you can actually use ChatGPT, right? You can go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create an entire blog content for you. So let's say, for instance, that your niche is in the food niche, like you create content around food and recipes, or you share health tips, whatever it is that you do. Just go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create a blog post for you, and then you can now go on to paste it inside of your blog content or blog post, and make sure that it is relevant to what you had talked about in the content you shared on Facebook. And if you know that you can't go through the process of creating all of this content via system, you can actually pass it on to someone. So let me show you a landing page I built and how you can actually embed those links inside of buttons or text and other elements inside of your post. So I'm going to click on site again. I'm going to go to sales funnel. Now note that sales funnel is different from blogs. So a sales funnel is just a one-time page that you can use to maybe sell something. All right. So this is one sales funnel I had created earlier. So this is how an editor would look like. So you can see that there are different elements here that you can actually add your links to. You can add the element to a picture, you can add it to a text, but just ensure that you're very strategic about it. Don't add it, indiscriminately. So let's say, for instance, I want to place that link on this image. So I'm going to click on the image, and you're going to see here it says action when image is clicked. So you can select this open URL, and then you're simply going to paste your direct link here. So you can go back and copy your direct link and then paste it inside of that link. So whenever somebody views this landing page and they just hover around the image and they click on it, it's going to take them to an ad page where they get to see a relevant ad that they might actually take action on. But whether they take action on it or not is not your business, right? So where your job actually ends is when somebody clicks on it. All right. So you can actually add that link to as many elements on your page as possible. Now you can also use a landing page, a simple landing page like this. You can use a landing, but then the reason why using blog content is better is because it's natural, right? People feel that you want to actually pass on information, but then in the midst of passing that information, you are now redirecting them to offers. You can also add the links to normal text. So say, for instance, that you want to add it to a text like this. So once you highlight the text, it's going to bring up these options here. You can just click on this thing that looks like a button, tap on it, and then it's going to ask you to enter the link. All right. So you simply enter the link, and then that's all. So once somebody clicks on this text, they are going to be redirected. Okay. And then once they are redirected, you get paid. I hope you gained value from watching this tutorial, and I hope that you're going to be trying out Monetag very soon. Go to the comment section and let me know what you've learned and if you have any questions. Now, another thing I forgot to mention is that you can actually make money on Monetag through their affiliate system. So you can actually recommend it to other people and also get to make money as well. Thank you very much for staying until the end of this video, guys. And I'm going to see you in my very next video. And don't forget to subscribe.